Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making beef chicken veggies stir fry. It's super delicious, easy to make, and if you want to learn, keep watching. So in a pot, add in some oil. Once you add in the oil, you can add fresh rosemary, which is optional. Then I go in with my washed cut beef. And then I go in with my washed cut chicken. You can use any chicken of your choice. Now stir in gently for about 2 minutes. And then add garlic powder. Be generous with your spices. Then go in with your onion powder as well. And then you go in with some curry powder to give it color and a distinct taste. Then mixed spices. These are mixed spices of local herbs and local spices. And then go in with some paprika or pepper if you have it. Then all-purpose seasoning, adobo, anything that you have from your cabinet is good to go. Now stir in gently to ensure that all the spices is well absorbed in the meat. And then once you stir it in like this, you leave it to fry. Keep turning the meat so that all sections are well fried and comes out this way. So as you can see, the meat is almost ready. When you achieve this consistency, golden brown consistency, you can now take the meat off fire. It doesn't have to be very brown, at least, in the middle. And then you take it off fire. This is the texture that the meat should have once it's ready. And then in the same oil, we are going to add in our cut onion, habanero pepper, ginger, and garlic. We keep stirring for a couple of minutes and allow it to fry for 2 minutes. And then we blend some onions, green pepper, and 1 tomato, very little. As you can see, we add in this blend into the pan and stir it gently. So once we give it a good stir, we cover it and leave it to simmer on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Once you achieve this consistency, then you are ready to add in a little bit of tomato paste, very little, as you can see in the video. Stir in your tomato paste to mix with the sauce in the pan. And then add in a little water to help it cook better. Once that is done, add in your curry powder, a bit of that. You're going to go in with the mixed spices, like all the spices I use for the chicken and beef, the all-purpose seasoning, some chicken seasoning, and stir that in gently. Once it's well mixed, then we go in with our veggies. So this is red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and green bell pepper. Add that in and add a little bit of water to help it cook faster and better. Stir and leave to simmer. Before going in with your meat that we already fried, stir that one in and make sure that it is well absorbed in the sauce that we've already made. So once that is done, after giving it a good stir, you add some salt to taste, but first you have to taste to make sure that the salt is not enough before you add in some more salt to taste. Now this is what we have at the moment. We cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes and voila, this is what we have. Add in some spring onions for garnishing, so it is optional, and our veggie sauce is ready. This is super tasty and goes with everything: rice, potatoes, spaghetti. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment to help me grow this channel. You can also watch other food videos that I have on here. See you. Bye.